I'm over at Costco looking at some laptops. This looks like a nice powerful one. New 6900HS Ryzen 9 in it. But it has no built-in network port. No Ethernet. I'm sure this little guy doesn't. It's only 200 bucks, but we'll take a look. USB-C on both sides, but no Ethernet port. How about this guy? Ooh, another i7, 17-inch. This ought to be thick enough for an Ethernet port. Let's see. Hey, there's one. All right. That's nice to see. That's a beast. Don't want anything that heavy though. Here we go, another i7 for 1,200 bucks with no Ethernet port. And this one's an i5 with no Ethernet port. That one costs 700. Here's one for $1,000. HDMI, no Ethernet port. This entire line of nice looking machines here, none of them have Ethernet ports. So you really got to go with something that's a gaming machine, I guess, nowadays. So here's a 16-inch laptop, and it's an i7 12th gen. It's kind of chonky. It's a gaming laptop for sure, but it does have an Ethernet port. There we go. But I guess you can't have light and Ethernet at the same time. It's kind of sad.